How to create Zomato account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Zomato account. Zomato is an Indian multinational company that operates as a restaurant aggregator and food delivery platform. In order to create an account on Zomato, first of all, make sure you have already downloaded the authentic Zomato application on your mobile device. Once you have done that, now open your Zomato application on your mobile device, and soon after opening the application, you will be presented with this pop-up. Here, you will need to grant the permission to use the location. You may also tap on no thanks if you don't want to grant permission to location right now. Once doing that, now you will be presented with this interface. You will need to enter your mobile number in order to create an account on it. Simply select the country code and then in the field, enter your mobile number. Once after entering the mobile number, now tap on this continue button. Alternatively, you may also select the Google account or Gmail account in order to sign up for Zomato account. Here I'm going to use my phone number. After entering the phone number, simply tap on this continue button right here. Now you will need to wait for the verification code that will be sent to your mobile number. Once you get the code, you will need to now enter it in this field. After that, it will start verifying the code. And then you will be able to proceed further. After that, you will be taken to this page. Now here, you will need to enter your name and other requested personal information. Enter your name in this field and then select your dietary preference. Once selected, now tap on this Done button. After that, you will need to allow the location access, or you may also manually set your location to receive the personalized restaurant recommendations. Simply select one of these options and enter your location. After selecting your location, tap on this Confirm Location at the very bottom in order to confirm. And after that, you will see you have successfully created an account on Zomato. Now you can start exploring restaurants, ordering food, or writing reviews here. So by following these steps, you should be able to create an account on Zomato. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.